How to create educational videos and post it online. Hello, hi, my name is Mr. Abdelhadi Ismail. I work as a cardiothoracic surgery SPR in the UK in the University Hospital Southampton NHS Trust. A lot of my colleagues and friends have been asking me about the educational videos I post regularly and whether the process is difficult. Well, it's not rocket science for sure. Anyone can do it. However, it does consume a lot of time and effort. Some videos took me days to compile, others took me weeks. The process starts with studying the subject as if you are setting for an exam. Then you reread it again, bearing in mind the sequence of your demonstrations. In other words, you create a mind map. Then you decide on the tools you will use for each section, whether you will use a slide, illustration, or an animation. It's up to you really. Then you start compiling your demonstrations on your PC. There are plenty of softwares commercially available. Feel free to use whichever suits your skill level. Bearing in mind, you need 4 main software packages. One for drawing, animation, video editing, and video recording. Next step is recording your lecture as if you are teaching students, and then combine that to the demonstrations using video editing software. This concludes the task. I hope I managed to provide you with an overview of the process. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check our advice and support playlists for more detailed description of this topic, as well as a whole range of other general interest topics. Thank you.